All right. This is a good example of a busted CV joint. Autocorrected. You don't make mistakes. Make custom modifications. All right, folks. We're back on this 2010 taco truck. We thought we about had it ready. Then we did some more inspections on the front end, and we are going to have to replace the CV axle on this side and the upper control arm on the passenger side because the ball joint is bad. And we have the stuff to replace the front headlights and the grill. So you can see, oops, here on, well, I know you're getting dizzy. So you can see on the table here, I have the upper control arm and the CV axle there, and over here in this box we have the headlights, one box, the other box is at the bottom there, and the grill over here. So, I got all this stuff from rockauto.com. I'm not paid anything to talk about their products. So I just want to tell you though, they do have pretty cheap prices. You have to contend with shipping more than other companies because they don't literally have like a warehouse. Everything comes direct from the supplier. So each individual item, I bought 5 different items from 5 different companies, so I had 5 different shipping charges, which still wasn't terrible when you consider the prices of the items. For instance, I priced the calipers. Local auto parts store for the calipers on this Tacoma are $180 a piece, and I priced them on Rock Auto. They're $53. So, yeah, big deal, big difference. So, just keep that in mind when you're looking around for parts. If you can wait a few days, you may want to do that. So, let's get started. Hope you guys enjoy it. All right, folks. This when I started pulling out on this, this was separating. It's not supposed to do that. So I'm taking this apart to show Isaac how it's made. So I figured I'd show you guys at the same time. I used to buy a universal kit, and it come with a new boot. You can just swap it out if your boot tore. They might still make them, I don't know. I have to fool with them a lot lately. All right. This is a good example of a busted CV joint. See, these fit in here, and then they fit in the grooves of the end. See how it's made that way for a reason, which allows it. Oh, come on. Yeah, which allows it to move like this and slide at the same time when you go over bumps. This one's worn out, it's making a bunch of noise, so we replaced it. And now you know what the inside of the CV joint looks like.